No.
It's not bringing what we want like instantly, so we have to just wait longer than usual, right?
Let me introduce you.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Bukola. You can call me Bukenzi, okay? It's the start of a new vlog. I ordered some stuff from Lagos and it's already at the logistic store, right? They already sent me a text that is available for pickup, so I'll be heading there now. I actually don't know if I'll be filming my going along and all of that. I am going with my baby and you know what that means. Please, you guys, we are made for the soft life, okay? So yeah, even if I'm not filming my going along, I am definitely going to show you guys all I ordered. What do I mean by all I ordered? It's actually two stuffs. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered, and yeah, towards the end of this vlog I am going to be doing something very amazing to my husband's hair. You guys, I will be taking you guys along for all the due process and all of that. So yeah, you guys keep watching and make sure you watch till the end, okay?
The next day.
So I got my package from a brand I normally ordered from Lagos, right? It came in through ABC logistic, right? So let me just unbox with you guys and let's see how it goes.
I can shout, mo dele pariwo, mo ti yo, na 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 na. When I show up for your party, they must show jo. Eleboche se, no de buga se, no de buga se. Eleboche se, no de buga se, no de buga se. Wọ́n sọ pé kí n má lọ sùnlé, wípé kí n ọ̀dà rose. Mo ní mo lẹ́kì champagne, èmi ọmọ pé o. Mo sáré fowó mi ṣàyè, gbọ́mọ mẹ́fà lọ́lẹ̀. Mr. Money ló ṣe, èmi ọmọ pé o. Wọ́n sọ pé kí n má lọ sùnlé, wípé kí n ọ̀dà rose. Mo ní mo lẹ́kì champagne, èmi ọmọ.
One eternity later.
To be taking you guys along with me coloring my husband's hair. I'm going to be losing the one he has on right now and changing the color. We're going to be changing the color to gold. I'm going to be carrying you guys along. I've done it like 2 to 3 times now. Say hi.
Hello.
This is his hair. This is like the 3rd time we are changing the color. The first time we changed it to brown, right? The first time it was brown, and the second time was wine. This is wine now.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So from this to wine now, we are going to change it back to gold.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's go right into the video. My baby is at my back. He's the one that is ringing the bell, and our neighbor's Jen is on, and I don't know if I'm going to do the voiceover. You guys can hear the background, so let's go right into the video. Right? So I'm taking this thing out.
Dependable.
So we are done taking out the hair. This is what it looks like. It's looking like a purple ochre. So this is the color we have in color wine. So we are going to be changing the color to color gold. We have our dye here. This is the dye, while this is the activator. I'm going to be mixing it together and apply it to the hair. And let's see how it goes.
Even when I fall your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your more.
The car last year. No. Something entertainment job.
So far, it's almost 50 minutes now. Normally, we are not meant to allow it to stay for that long, but because there is a particular color there, assuming it's black and we are turning it to gold, it will do fast and all of that. But since there is a particular color there, it's not bringing what we want like instantly, so we have to just wait longer than usual. Like as you can see, the color is gradually changing to gold. Not like it's that obvious. You are seeing somewhere here. Let me bring it closer. So it's changing, but we still have the wine over it. So let's just wait till about an hour, right? Or what do you think?
Let's wait. See the outcome.
So we'll catch you guys when it's an hour. So this is like 1 hour 30 minutes, and you guys, we can see, if you look closely, I don't know if you guys can see it, we have gold like underneath. On the root is already turning gold. Not like all of it is golden already, but then it's obvious that there's a change from the wine color. So I feel maybe, let's assume the hair was black, it should have been more better, but it's actually okay. It's fair enough, right? How do you feel? Maybe. So we have our color. Wow. Wow. Let me bring the phone closer. Wow. See the root. The root is giving me joy. So we are just waiting for it to dry and, plate it. So we'll definitely carry you guys along. You like it, right?
Love it.
Wow. So I'm actually going to wait for it to get dry and plate it, and that will be all. So guys, keep watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe right now. Like this video, okay? Thank you. So it's already dried now, so we are just about making it. So far we are almost done. It's remaining just one. So thank you guys for watching up to this stage. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. You already know it's vibes and vibes on this channel. What do you have to say, bro?
I'm loving what I'm saying.
Actually,
Can't wait for the conclusion.
We have done. Yeah, listen. God.
Being a photographer, a musician, we got things.
Harry Sweet.
Yeah. It's your boy G15. Be to the women. Do it.
See how I hair. See the mixture of the gold, the brown, the black,
So lovely.
the wine. It's so lovely. It makes
What I'm
it so
saying.
yummy. So what do you have to say? Do you like?
I love what I'm saying.
What do you have
all
to say
thanks
to
to
our subscribers?
Kenzie.
What do you have to say to our subscribers?
Keep watching. Like, comment,
Share
share, and what
and
again?
all that good stuff.
You